At Genpact, we spend a lot of time looking at the banking industry and trying to understand the macro trends that will affect that industry.
In our work with Genpact, what we realized was that there were three fundamental global macro trends. Number one, optimized reality. Number two, ethical impact. And number three, whole systems planning.
First macro trend will be optimized reality, and it's all about how can bank be real-time, on the spot, here and now, with their services and their solutions versus what they were earlier, which was very product focused, very siloed.
Ethical impact is going to make our clients think very differently about their customers on a day-to-day basis. Today, punitive fees and overdrafts are driving a big part of the P&L. It's pushing people out of the banking system. That's not something the next generation is going to stand for.
The third macro trend is whole system planning and the ability for an enterprise to understand the entire system that it operates within and the direct and indirect consequences that it has on society and the environment.
The banks are threatened from a couple of different angles, and they're going to have to make some shifts in order to survive.
Banks are going to have to change the way that they operate in order to thrive in the future. They're going to have to find a way to generate the lion's share of their profits and revenues from delivering value to the client. We call that financial betterment.
The banks simply have to learn to use their data more effectively to create betterment for their customers.
There's probably no other institution in the world that's got more knowledge about a customer than a bank. And the instinctive enterprises are going to be the ones that use that data most effectively.
The businesses that pay attention to these macro trends will survive and thrive in the coming decade. Those that don't will find it very difficult to predict and connect and adapt what they do to a future horizon.